And we are back to having the lovely weather we are known for. I've actually really missed it a lot, because even though some people don't like it, I do. Hey guys, and welcome to Friday. Oh my gosh, Friday. Glorious! It is glorious. One bit of interesting news that I just found out about. That is a Wii U and Wii compatible GameCube controller. I am seriously hoping this is real, because that would be awesome. Like, seriously. Oh my gosh, that would be fantastic. I love the GameCube controller because it's so simple and it's easy to use, and oh, the buttons are beautiful. Oh hey, it actually has two. It does have an extra button though. I just realized that there's an extra button on this side. It's looks like there's two Z buttons now. Interesting. Maybe to give better leverage for left-handed people.
Sorry about the awkward cut here. This is probably where my camera's going to start having memory problems, and you'll get to see more of that later on. So, changing subjects.
We're on an adventure to the mall again. Mimi, you still look tired. Crystal's excited. She wanted to get. She's the one I wanted to go.
I got in the shower 5 minutes ago.
I showered. Actually, I got in the shower at like 12:45.
No way.
Yeah. I take pretty long showers.
They can be very relaxing.
But like I felt.
Sophia's day has been made because she got a jacket of Survey Corps jacket. Yes.
Where are we going? Oh,
And apparently we're looking through swimsuits. I don't know what we're doing anymore. I never know what we're doing when we go to the mall.
yeah.
I know nothing. I'm getting really tired as of late. So not much has been happening as of late. I do apologize, at the same time, what are you gonna do? Considering how short these past few videos have been, I might just pull them together. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you again tomorrow, where we'll see what happens. Doodles.